Okay, okay, okay. We started the recording too. Okay. So, so, so we saw yesterday. We saw yesterday. Let's just recap yesterday's things. Okay. Right. That's okay. Okay. What we see? We see shopping list. Okay. We see like what is array? Array is a used to store multiple value. Okay. In a single variable. Used to store multiple value in a single store. How we created array equals to like this, shopping list, egg, uh, and we can say milk, okay, or bread kind of thing, okay. What is songs? Let's see how it shows songs, okay. ABC, XYZ, and PQR, okay, kind of, okay, okay, in string format. It's a string, it's also a string, it's also a string, okay. Then see something. Book number, books, how we write books, book, semicolon, book. Any book name suggestion, book name suggestions, book name suggestions. Okay, JS, Java, Mongo, right, right. These are strings. Okay, we see these things yesterday, right? We see these things yesterday. Okay, we just clear everything. Okay, so, so, so let's just go this one. Okay. Okay, even what we see yesterday, we see we use a bracket, use bracket, okay, egg, milk, egg, bread, okay, 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 okay. We see indexing, we see indexing. What is indexing? What is indexing? In chat, what is indexing? Indexing in chat. What is indexing? What is indexing? What is indexing? What is indexing? Indexing is, let's see, this is array, okay. So it's a 0, 1, 2, 3. It's a indexing. At 0th index, we have apple. 1st index, we have banana. Index of 2, we have cherry. And date in index of 3. Correct, 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 correct. How to access? How to access? We access root of 0. We access root of 0. What we get? What we get? We got apple, the first fruit. The first fruit. Correct. Similarly, I accessing fruit of 2. Fruit, what is fruits is a array, and we accessing fruits of 2. What we get? What we get? Fruits of 2, we get cherry, because cherry is fruit of 2. Correct, 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 correct. Let me just figure out. Okay, then we see finding atom in a list. Similarly, index of same thing. Feeding item. We didn't see feeding item. Okay. Currently, we didn't see feeding or changing item. Okay. We will see using this operator. Let me just using equals to operator. It's not okay. Using equals to operator. Okay. We will see today this one. Okay. Okay. How if I wanted to change this red, I wanted to change this red into yellow. If I wanted to change this red into yellow. So we have method equals to. We have method equals to. How how look look. What we did here, we created color, color array, name color array, colors array. And inside that added array, we added array red, green, blue. And I wanted to change this red or replace this red with another color, with other color, with other color, with other color. So we write this one. Okay, this. We just accessing first and then changing its value. Okay, let's see on code. Let's see on code. Let's see on code how it's going. How it's okay. Let's see. Let's see on code. Sharing my screen for the code. Okay, this is yesterday things. Okay, we are going to clear the all. Okay, it's a day 9. Day 9. Okay. Similarly, index.html. Okay, boilerplate, then script, then source. Okay, so we didn't created our. Okay, so array day 2. Sorry, array day 2 dot js. Okay, okay. Let's just connect our file dot slash array day 2. Okay, okay, okay. So what we are going to see? We are going to see how to replace element value. How to replace element value. Okay. Before that, let's recap index, okay. Const, sorry, let fruits equals to apple, orange, orange, banana, mango, mango. Okay, okay, okay. What is indexing here? What is indexing here? What is indexing here? Simple. Indexing is indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct? 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 Uh, replace all. No, that those functions are not not useful here. Okay, that these that like those functions like replace and replace all are we use for string. That's why those are not applicable here. Okay, those are not applicable here. Okay, let me just keep it here. Okay, just close this one. Okay, then what we did, then how to access console console.log. And how do we access? Let's see. Let value value equals to uh, fruits of two. Fruits of two. What will I get in inside this value? What will I get inside this value? What should be output? What should be output? What should be the output? Yeah, adding, deleting. We will going to see today adding and deleting. So we are just recapping our indexing as of now. Okay, okay, okay. What should be output? What should be output? Banana, 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 banana. Okay, banana. Okay, banana. Correct, correct. Thanks. Correct, correct. Okay, okay. So let me just create MD file, MD file. Okay, okay. Notes or okay, notes.md, .md. Okay, what is MD? We saw already yesterday. What is MD? Okay, okay. What is MD? We see yesterday. Okay. So what we're going to see today? Okay, just let me clear notation. It's annoying. Okay. What is MD file? What is MD? Markdown. Okay, markdown. So recap indexing we see. Recap indexing normally we see indexing. what we're going to do, we today agenda ka, what is today agenda? Today agenda simply, okay, I don't know. Okay. We are so we're going to see replace, okay, replace. What is replace? How to replace value and array. Okay. Again, or update. Let's see, or update. You can see the update. It's a good word. Update, update. Value or value of element. Value of element. Value of element. Then update, then create. Okay. Let me introduce one. Say create. Let's see creating array. Create array. Okay. Create, update, create, and we see read. When we see read using indexing. Okay. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Okay. Using equals to. Okay. Just write like this. Okay. 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 And delete. Delete also. You are going to say delete also. Okay. Delete. Delete element. Okay. Delete element. Okay. We will see. We will see. Okay. 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 Can you read? Can you see this one? Create. Create. Read. Update and delete. Can we write? Can I write this? CRUD. It's a crud. It's a crud. It's a crud. Okay. I'll just wanted to introduce you with this word crud. 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 Okay. It's a crud. Okay. Just remember create, read, update, and delete. These operations, new array. Okay. I'll teach you this one. I'll recap this one. Okay. It's a crud. Okay. It's a crud. Simply crud operation is create, read, update, and delete. Okay. You will encounter this thing in future in our classes. Okay. So I just wanted to introduce you. Okay. So this is a today agenda. Let's just uh, see one by one. Okay, see one by one. Okay, okay. We see this one. Okay, everyone. I think understand these things. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just create. Let's just create. Okay, we created here. We created here. Again. Let's just give you small recap again. Okay. Okay. Let ARR equals to. Okay. Okay. We created array. We created array. We created array. Okay. Created. It's just a array. Okay. Or we have other method or 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 let arr1 equals to new array. That one also method to create array. Okay. Both are arrays. Both are arrays. Both are arrays. Okay. Read. How do we read? How do we read values? How do we read values? We read using indexing. Indexing. Okay. zeroth number indexing, zeroth number indexing. Okay, we will going to see indexing. Okay, I'll just taking this example again. Okay, we're going to see indexing. How indexing look like? How indexing look like? Okay, zeroth, one, two, three. Simple, simple. How to read? How to read? How to read? We will going to see how to read. Console.log. Here we read. Here we read. Okay, console.log fruits of zero. What would be output? What will be output? Apple, apple. I'm not showing output because it just recap. Yesterday we see everything. ओके, इसका आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा ये क्या है? ओके, ओके, इट्स जस्ट अनदर वे टू क्रिएट एरे. हमने एरे ऐसे क्रिएट किए, वी क्रिएटेड एरे लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस इज आल्सो अनदर मेथड टू क्रिएट द एरे. ओके, आई विल जस्ट शो यू. ओके, console console.log, let me just show you. Okay, this array create array using this one. Okay, similarly. ओके, और मैं ये एरे को प्रिंट कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, सेम मैं ये एरे वन को भी प्रिंट कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. ओके, यूजिंग 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 न्यू एरे. ओके, why I'm covering this? Because sometime in someone's code or any other senior developer's code, you will encounter this one. So that's why I just wanted to show you this one. This also another method. Okay, so let's just jump into our browser. Okay, do I have any browser? Just a second. Just a second. Let me just create a browser. Okay. Mm, okay. We are on VS. Okay. How to open this file? Just go to index, reveal in file explorer. Correct. Reveal in file explorer. Then either you can double click or you can open it. Okay. Then it will open on new window. Correct. It will open on new window. Inspect. We'll get this one. Just console. Just send it for you. Okay. 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 Creating array. We got array. We got array. And creating array using new array. We got same thing. Okay. We got same thing. We got same thing. There is no difference. Okay. No difference. We got same thing. Okay. 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 Anyone any doubt about this new array method? No. 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 Okay. Correct. Correct. Okay. Let's see other things. Okay. Okay. Even this one also console. Okay. Create, read, update. Let's see update. Okay. That's new for today. Update. How do you update? How do you update? Simple thing. How do you update? We have this one. We have this one. Let's see. Let's see. Let's just update that boot. Okay. We have boot. So to update, what we need to update. Okay. Uh, let 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 access the element. Let just access the element. So we don't need to write let. Okay. We can directly update. We can directly update. Console.log routes routes before update. We mm, yes. before update, okay, and then after update. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I just access this fruit zeroth element, okay, zeroth element equals to equals to equals to uh strawberry, orange, any fruit name, any suggestion, anyone? Okay, dragon. Okay, okay, pomegranate, mango. We already have mango. Okay, okay. So, so, any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt? What I did it or how? What I did? What I did here? What I did here? What I did here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Should be here. Should be here. किसी को कोई डाउट है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, सिंपली मैंने क्या किया, जीरो इंडेक्स को लिया और उसके अंदर में ये डाल दिया स्ट्रिंग, ठीक है। इवन मैं यहाँ पे नंबर भी डाल सकता हूँ, ठीक है, 25, ओके। लेकिन अभी फिलहाल हम यहाँ पे ये डालेंगे, ठीक है। लेट जस्ट चलते हैं हमारे पे, इसको कर दिया हमने रिलोड, ठीक है। देख रहे हो 25, अरे 25 कैसे ले रहा है, सेव नहीं हुआ क्या? आई थिंक आई फॉरगेट टू सेव, आई फॉरगेट टू सेव, कंट्रोल एस। चलो फिर से चलते हैं, ठीक है। अभी हम करते हैं रिफ्रेश रिलोड, ठीक है। हो गया अपडेट, बिफोर अपडेट, और ये आफ्टर अपडेट होना चाहिए, उससे मैं बिफोर अपडेट छोड़ दिया। चलो एक बार इसको भी अपडेट कर देते हैं, स्ट्रिंग को आफ्टर अपडेट, आफ्टर अपडेट, ठीक है, कंट्रोल एस। तो यहाँ पर इसको करते हैं हम रिलोड, ठीक है, ठीक है। बिफोर अपडेट, आफ्टर अपडेट, मैंने जस्ट इंडेक्स को लिया और उसमें वैल्यू पुट कर दिया, नथिंग नथिंग, जस्ट इंडेक्स को लिया, उसके अंदर वैल्यू फीड कर दिया, वैल्यू फीड कर दिया, ठीक है। फिर से कोई एग्जांपल देखते हैं, फिर से कोई एग्जांपल देखते हैं, क्या हम उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, फिर से कोई एग्जांपल देखते हैं। Let's see, zero, third index, okay, do we have third, okay, let's see 10th index, let's see 10th index, और इसमें हम डालते हैं पाइनएप्पल, पाइनएप्पल, ओके। अनडिफाइंड, अनडिफाइंड आएगा, अनडिफाइंड आएगा, अनडिफाइंड आएगा, देखते हैं जरा क्या होता है। अनडिफाइंड आएगा, सी क्यों आएगा अनडिफाइंड? नॉट अवेलेबल इंडेक्स, नॉट अवेलेबल इंडेक्स, लेट्स सी क्या मिलता है, अभी देखेंगे ना। चलो, क्या मिलता है देखेंगे। इफ वी ट्राई टू, इफ वी ट्राई टू, ओके, ओके, अनडिफाइंड है, अनडिफाइंड है, अनडिफाइंड है, इज इट अनडिफाइंड, इज इट अनडिफाइंड? नहीं, नहीं, हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, हम एक्सेस नहीं कर रहे। वी आर एडिंग, वी आर नॉट एक्सेसिंग, वी आर एडिंग, वी आर नॉट एक्सेसिंग। So JavaScript is just do simple thing. JavaScript do simple thing. No, it's not out of bound. It's just add a element or value on the index of 10, in the index of 10th index, on the location of 10th index, and between that is considered, yeah, between that it's considered six empty, six empty places. You can see still its length 11. It's 11 length. It's 11 length. Now can we try to access fourth index? Now let's just try to access fourth index. Let just access the fourth index. Let's just access the fourth index. Okay, let's see here accessing the fifth index. Okay, because we didn't create it here. Okay, we updated our array. Okay, we are updating our array. At first place, our array is only have four elements. Okay, now after doing this updation on 10th place or 11th place on 10th index. Okay, 11th place, but index is 10th. Okay, so in that case, it created the length of array. It's 11. Okay, okay, and we read already we read array in JavaScript. Array is dynamically memory allocation. It will extend dynamically. It will extend dynamically. Okay, okay, okay. That's why it's behave like that. Okay, okay. Let's see, can we able to access or not? Undefined, undefined. Now it's getting undefined. Now it's getting undefined. Okay, okay. Because it's don't have any value on that location, but it is have the created empty place. ओके, थोड़ा ऐसे समझते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी थोड़ा सा समझते हैं, हमारे इसमें समझते हैं. ओके, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. ओके 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 ओके, थोड़ा ऐसा समझते हैं. हमारा कहा गया व्हाइट बोर्ड, कहा गया व्हाइट बोर्ड, व्हाइट बोर्ड, व्हाइट बोर्ड. ओके, ओके. सबको व्हाइट बोर्ड दिख रहा है? हाँ ना, हाँ ना. इज एवरीवन एबल टू सी व्हाइट बोर्ड? यस नो, यस नो, यस नो, यस नो. प्लीज डोंट राइट एनीथिंग, प्लीज डोंट राइट एनीथिंग. यस नो, यस नो, यस नो. एबल टू सी व्हाइट बोर्ड, एबल टू सी व्हाइट बोर्ड. यस यस यस. ओके, सो हम इसको समझते हैं ऐसे. ठीक है, हमने एरे बनाया. ठीक है, छोटा सा एरे. ये एरे बनाया हमने. ठीक है. इन फर्स्ट प्लेस वी हैड 1 2 3 एंड 4 वैल्यू. ओके, ओके. बिफोर दैट इससे पहले एक हम चीज देखते हैं. बिफोर सीट लेट्स सी वन थिंग. इफ आई सी लेट abc equals to let abc. So what will be the output inside, what will the value inside this abc? What value inside this abc? What is the value inside this abc? Abc, it's undefined, it's undefined, it's undefined, it's undefined, it's undefined. Okay, it's undefined because we created but not initialized. We created but not initialized. Similarly, inside that array, which is dynamically allocated the value. Okay, 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and directly 11 and 12. Between these we created the places, we created the space, we created the space, but we didn't initialize any value. That's why it's undefined. That's why it's undefined. Okay, that's why it's undefined. Clear, 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 clear. Okay, okay. Let me just show you once again. That's why it's undefined, because we didn't created anything. Okay, okay. Hmm. Let's just close this one. Let's jump to the code. Okay, okay, okay. Any doubt for updation? Any doubt for updation? Any doubt for updation? How to update? Let's just don't create that one as of now. Just add on place of 4, or let's add on place of 3. Okay, place of 3, and let's jump into our code. I know it might be a little bit confusing. I know, but this is a process. This is a process. Okay, this is a process. Okay, okay. We change to dragon fruit, mango with the pineapple. Okay, 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 okay. Hope you all of you getting. Okay. Any doubt? Just type on chat. Okay. Okay. We will talk about that, Jasmine. Okay. Just focus on today's session as of now. Okay. 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 We created, updated, and now delete. Now delete. Now delete. Now delete. Delete. Okay. Now let's see delete. How do we delete? Okay. So we have method for the delete. Okay. Okay. We have method for the delete. Okay. It's called pop. Delete or remove. Okay. Or remove element from array, 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 array. Okay. Okay. It's called pop. That's it. Just pop. Just pop. like that. We have fruits, we have fruits, we have fruits. Just console dot log fruits dot pop. That's fruits of pop. That's it. That's it. It will remove the element from last. It will remove the last element. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me just copy this one. Sorry. Let's just copy comment before pop or or delete last element from last from end. Okay. Okay. Say from end. Okay. Okay. And control C everything between that our method or operation and after. Okay. Let's see the okay. Can I just copy from here and put it here? It will help us. Okay. 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 Let's just see. Let's just see. Okay. 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 We just add array dot pop. We just add array dot pop. Okay. 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 Just refresh. Reload. Okay. Before deleting the array, we have apple, orange, banana, mango. Then so mango. Okay, it's console created there. Okay. After that, it's just apple, orange, and banana. We pop the last element. We delete the last element. We delete the last element. That's it. It's just a pop method. It's a just a pop method. We just delete the last element. Even we can capture our last element too. We can capture our last element too. How you can capture this? Let last element of of fruits equals to this one. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, you can console that one too. Let's just console that one too. Okay, 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 okay. I just capture pop element, then I apply on pop. Okay, okay, okay. Can you just see? Can you just see what happening here? Let's just go to the any doubt? Any doubt? I know it's little bit boring, but yeah. Any doubt? Any doubt? What happened here? Any doubt? What happened here? Why it's deleting two elements? Why is deleting two elements? Anyone? Anyone? Why it's deleted two element? Console. Let me just check why it's printing another quotes. Console dot quotes. Okay. Before after console log also comment distance with comment. Have you commented everything? Okay. Okay. Reducing index after the element, delete the element. Yeah, it's reduced. Yeah, always properly. Because I return fruit dot pop and fruits dot pop two times. Because I return fruits dot pop and fruits dot pop two times. That's why JavaScript read this one, pop the element, and again this read this one, and again pop the elements. That's why we got two element removed from the last of the last index of the arrays, last two index. Okay, okay, okay. Can you see? Let me show you. Let me try run. Only try run. Okay, let me just try run here. Okay, okay. पहले क्या हुआ पहले क्या हुआ JavaScript came here JavaScript came here then you see root okay root variable then you see opening square and closing square then you understand okay it's an array and inside this strings inside this strings an apple comma separated orange comma separated banana comma separated mango okay it's a array of a strings it's a array of a string JavaScript understand and store these store this in memory, and store this in a memory in a form of array. Okay, then JavaScript came here, then come here, and then he see, okay, it's a console.log. Okay, I need to just print whatever written inside the string. So he just print. Okay, then it's came here, then he see console.log, then he see, okay, fruits, what is fruit? Then he search on its memory. Do we do it do fruits available in memory? Then he find out, and then he find the inside the fruit, do we have value? Okay, then he capture the value from inside from that fruit, and then console the fruits array of a, or array of a, what we say, strings. Okay, then he came here, then he came here, and then he see, okay, new variable created. Okay, new variable created, so he allotted new space for this variable name. Okay, then he came here. Okay, then you see, okay, it's a fruits. Okay, it's a fruits dot pop. Okay, it's operation, means with array I need to do operation. What he did, pop means he just removed the last element, then he removed this last element and update the array till this one. Okay, then he removed the last element and update this one. Okay, it's remove this last element and then update till this one. Okay, then he came here, then he came on next line, then he came on next line here. Okay, then you see, okay, console.log. Okay, and what's console.log? Okay, it's this array, sorry, this variable. Okay, so he see, I have this variable, but inside this, which value I have stored? So he came here and see, okay, I just pop, but I need to store that pop element. Okay, store that pop element. You can see equals to sign here, then he store that pop element inside this variable. Then he console, then he came line number 45, then he see console.log fruits.pop. Okay, first console.log, before console.log he need to perform a operation which is fruits.pop. So he just remove another. Okay, then he saw, okay, fruit.pop. Okay, then which element he popped, captured before pop? Banana. That's why he print banana here. Okay, that's why I print banana here. Sorry, banana. Okay, okay, similarly, then he came here, console.log, he print the string, then came here, see console.log fruits. So updated fruits is apple and orange till now, because we deleted these two. Okay, 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 any confusion till now? Any confusion? Any confusion? Any confusion? Any confusion? Again, we came here, we see JavaScript C, it's a fruits, then created array. Then he came here, then he see console, printed. Then he came here, see console, printed whole, 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 whole array. Then he came here, then see, okay, I need to create variable. Then you see equals to, means whatever after this operation, I need to store those return values. Okay, then you see, okay, pop. What the JavaScript need to pop? This mango element, because it's the last element of a array. So then he pop that element and store that value inside this variable. Then log, then pop. Before the console, he need to perform the operation, and then popped element is banana, then we print the banana, and then after that everything we got apple remaining and orange. Okay, okay, I don't see any confusion. Okay, 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 okay. uh I'll share you everything. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let's just jump into our next topic. Let's just jump into our next topic. We are running out of time. Okay, okay. Where it's our slides? Here it is. Okay, that closed. Okay, no, we have our slides. Okay, just let me share with you. Okay, what is the name? Basic modifying using equals to. Okay, then what we have, dot length. You already see dot length. Okay, why array is important? Why array is important? Why array is important? Okay, array response of backend data always response of backend data. Okay, it's okay. Response of backend data always in a array data type. Always in a data type. How? How? Okay, screen is visible. Correct. Screen is visible. Correct. Okay. Correct. let's see just a quick example. Okay, let's see just quick example. Response of a data. What is response of a data? When we hit any URL, when we hit any URL, Flipkart, kind of Flipkart. Okay, when we hit any URL. Okay, when we hit any URL, we got response, we got response. Okay, let me just show you. Inspect. Okay, I'll show you quick thing. Okay, inspect network tab. Okay, network tab. Why it's not open? Network tab. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay, I hit this URL, flipkart.com. Okay, okay, okay. Can you see? Can you see? We got responses. We got responses. We got responses. Can you see? Can you see? We got responses. Okay, okay. So can you see codes.json? Can you see? We got response. Okay, inside this. Can you see this response? Can you see this response? Let's see response on preview. Okay, can you see in form of array? We got response in the form of array. Okay, okay. India code IND. Okay, I'll show you something. Okay, it's a India code IMP. It's a login data. Let's see anything business. Uh, Useful data. I'll show you properly. Okay, you can see agents. You can see agents in a form of array. In a form of array. Like most of the data related responses came in array form. You need to handle array everywhere. You need to handle array everywhere. All it is, it's a full country name. Do we have anything here about the country? Anything? Okay, let's see. Try Amazon. It's not working, so let's try Amazon. Amazon e-commerce company. Okay, let's just go into Amazon. Okay, let me just clear once. Yes, I just cleared. Okay, okay, भाई कितने रिस्पॉन्स देगा? Okay, 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 okay. I'm just refreshing. Okay, I just refreshing. Okay, what we got? What we got? Number of response. Okay, 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 okay. बाप रे बाप रे बाप रे. काफी good. Okay, feedback. Okay, feedback. Anything. कुछ काम का Amazon.com playlist US song जो दिखाना चाहते हो वो दिखा दो हमें. Okay, we need to try any Swiggy. Let's see Swiggy क्या दिखा है. Okay, I think ये काम में आएगा. ठीक है. Get cards. Okay. Can you see data? Can you see data? Can you see data? Data, marks, ID, asset, collect TV, payload preview, messages. Okay. Can you see messages in a form of array? Can you see message in a form of array? Okay. Context, object, event, header. Okay. 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 Swiggy consumers, ID 3, position, 999. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to show you always data came in a form of array. Useful data came in a array, in a form of array. That's why array is important. That's why array is important. Let's not just spend more time on searching those things. Okay, 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 okay. Let's jump into our state. Okay, okay, okay. What we have next? We see pop. Let's see ship. Okay, let's see ship. Sorry, let's see. Yeah, let's see ship. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. We see pop array. Delete or remove array from array. Delete or remove last from end. You can say from end. What we want to delete from start. Delete from start. Okay. Let's just put this example. Fruits console.log fruits.ship. That's it. Fruits.ship. Fruits.ship. It will remove. Let's see, is it or not? Is it or not? Okay, before that, let me just use this one. Okay, everything just comment. Okay, load. Okay, okay. Can you see? Can you see? Apple is removed. Remove, remove. Apple is removed after pop. After pop. Okay, I written pop here, but did you get that? Apple, orange, banana, and mango. Apple, orange, banana, and mango. And then we use shift. Then it's orange, banana, mango. Okay, any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, okay, okay. Let's just see about adding. Okay, let's see about the adding from, like, adding in last or end. Okay, or end. Let's just take this same example. Let's just take the same example. After push, push. Okay, what we have for adding? What we have adding? We have push. We have method push. We have method push, and inside that element. Inside that element, what we want to add. Similarly, unshift. Similarly, similarly from start. Okay, from that will be using from start. Okay, so it's a before. Okay, so I just add fruits dot push. Fruit dot push. Okay, just add, just add. What we need to add? Let's just add dog. Something weird. Okay, let's just add dog. Is it? Let's see. Is it pushed or not? Let's just see. Is it pushed or not? Reload. Can you see? Can you see? Before we have apple, orange, banana, and mango. And after that, apple, orange, banana, mango, and dog. After that, apple, orange, banana, mango, and dog. Okay, okay. We added successfully. We added successfully. Element in last of array. Element in the last of array. We updated. Correct, correct, correct. Let's see. Update, or you can say add element in start of array. Okay. We have unshift. We have unshift. Okay. We have unshift and element. Element. Okay, element. Okay. Let's just see. Let's just see. We add cat. Cat. So we'll add cat. Okay. We will add cat. Let's see what will be the output. Okay. What will be the output? What will be the output? Clear this one. Screen is visible correctly, right? Screen is visible. Let me just zoom. Reload. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Cat. Cat. How it's updating cat. Reload. What's doing cat? That's okay. Okay. JavaScript doing this. Okay. JavaScript doing this. Okay. Before deleting, after deleting, it's showing 4, but it's 6 length. Okay. It's a 6 length because we update the same array. We update the same array. That's why. Let me just clear that confusion first. Where it is, it is here. And it is stored before. Let's just cut this. Okay. Okay. And add here. Okay. 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 Now, okay. Apple, orange, banana, mango, and dog. Okay. And here, 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 cat, apple. Okay. It's added cat. at start. Okay, it's added cat at start. Okay, 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 okay. Similarly, 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 we see what we see today, what we see today, we see push for adding element on element. Okay, at start, at end, at end, at end, we see push element name. Okay, element. Okay, it's a syntax. At start, we see unshift, and element name. Okay, element. Okay, and then for adding, sorry, for remove or delete or delete. Okay, delete. Okay, similar. Just let me copy paste. Anyone have any doubt, please? Okay, we see pop. We don't need to give element. We use shift. Okay, okay, okay. Any doubt in those? Any doubt? We see all of the examples we saw already. Okay, okay, yeah, I got. Okay, 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 okay. Just remember, read means read, update, delete. Create, read, update, delete. Okay. This will more useful in our future sessions. Okay. I just wanted to introduce you these things. Okay. Uh, Screen is visible. Right. Okay. What we have next? What we have next? Okay. Array versus string. Do we have time? Okay. We will see array versus string in just 15 minutes. Okay. Simple. It's so simple. It's so simple. It's so simple. Okay. I'm just creating new JavaScript file. Okay. Array versus string. Okay. It's a totally wrong naming convention. Okay. I just created because of understand for the understanding. Okay. Don't write like that. Okay. Don't write like that. Okay. It's no like it's not making any sense. Okay. It's not making any sense. Even it's difficult to read. Okay. It's difficult to read. But for as of now, I'm just creating. Okay. So array versus array versus string. What we're going to see similarities, similarity and differences. Okay, it's simple array versus string. We'll see both. Okay. In MD file, let's just update what we're going to learn. Okay, array versus string. So let's just stop here only. Okay. So do we have indexing in array? Indexing. Both have indexing. Both have indexing. Both have indexing. Correct. 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 Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay. Both have indexing. Okay. Only just don't write both. Okay. Have indexing. Yes. Have indexing. Okay. Okay. Similarly, have access element or character, character using index. Correct, correct, correct. Yes, no, yes, no. Anyone have any doubt? Like in these two statements, anyone have any doubt? Array versus string, array versus string. Okay. No, 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 no. What we have? Okay, okay. Where it is? Okay. Both. What we say? For both, we can do. Both have length. Both have length. Both we can find length. Both use dot length. Both use dot length. Le and GTL. Okay. So differences simple. For adding and removing, we use extra method in array. Okay. And for in what we say in string, we don't have those kind of methods. Okay, we don't have those kind of methods, but we have other methods to manipulate the string. Okay, okay, okay. So let's just see array versus string things. Okay, not here, here. Okay, array versus from. Okay, so how do we create array? Array. Let's create the array. How do we create array? We have two methods. Let arr equals to this one. Okay, or I just write in comment, or arr, let arr equals to new keyword with capital A of array. Okay, 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 okay. String simple. String is too simple. String is too simple. Okay, string. Let first name, or let's see, what do you say? Let first name. Okay, let it be first name. FRST, FRST first name. Okay, okay, okay. See, or let's say full name. Full name. Okay, let's see Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Is it correct? Or it's correct? It's correct. Okay. So it's a simple. Okay, okay, okay. We see array. Okay, let's just create array also here. Like array for the uh, forward, we can create a simple float thing. Okay, let's just copy paste, not spend much time on that. Okay, just get those floats. Okay, let's just put those floats. Okay, 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 okay. So why I'm using this here, why I'm teaching you this? Okay, why we are covering this topic? Because we are going to see convert array into string and string into array. It's so interesting. Interesting. It's interesting. It's interesting. Let's see. Let's see. Array into string. Array into string. Array into string. Let let string array. Okay. You just need to take the array dot uh sorry, it's not array. Arr dot dot split sorry split split by split by sorry, it's a join. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's see both of them. Okay, let's see both of them. What do you? Okay, let's see both of them. Split and join. So string into array into array. String into array. Let's just do array. Same. Let array from string and then we need string from array. Okay, and it's a string. Sorry, full name. It's a full name. Full name join. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, I think I write. Okay, I write. I just messed up with the code. Just give me a second. I written wrong thing. It should be a join. It's a join and it's a split. Okay. क्या सर आप कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो? है ना? है ना? है ना? है ना? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Quick string. Let's see. Array. Okay. 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 Okay, it's a join. It's a string. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's the output. Let's see. So that's the output. Yeah. Reload. I didn't save or not. What should I do? What? अच्छा, हमने connect ही नहीं किया हमारे फाइल को, right? We didn't connected our file. We didn't connected our file after creation. We didn't connect our file after creation. Okay. Let's just comment this one as of now. Okay. Let's just reload. Okay. Virat Kohli. Okay. You see, it's converted into string, but it's converted Virat Kohli into a array. So I just need to give the instruction. I just need to give the instruction. How do I need to split? I do I need to split. So just came here. Inside that I'm sending no space. Only convert in a single character. Convert in a single character. Convert in a single character. Okay. Okay. Let's just see type of type of. Okay. And also here type of. It should be it. Okay. We don't need to write type of here. We already got that. Okay. 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 Let's just came here and refresh. Okay. Can you see? It's converted. We wrote even space also. Kohli. Okay. Okay. It's converted into, and you can see apple, orange, banana, mango. It's converted into string. It's converted into string. It's converted into string. Any doubt? पता है थोड़ा सा माइंड ट्विस्टिंग है, बट हाँ, यहीं से भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. ठीक है. ठीक है. और ये बहुत, इट्स अ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, it's a most important topic, because when you work with the data, you need to handle this kind of operation. Sometimes backend send you weird data, you need to convert and then use in your front end. Okay. 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 So this is the two most important methods, most important, like today's most important topic. Okay. Today's most important topic. Okay. Even if we also, let's see, let's try. I didn't use this before. Use this before. Let's see if we transfer the. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I get that thing. I get that. Why it's happened. I get that. Okay. I just pass no space string. I just pass no space string. Okay. 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 I'll make you clear this. I'll just make you clear this. If I add space, so did it add the space on after every string? Every string? Let's see. 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 Refresh. Okay. Yeah. It just add. If I add there comma, if I add comma there, if I add comma, let's see. If I add a comma or any other thing, even this one too. Okay. Is it going to join by this? Refresh. Yeah. It's added. It's added. It's added. Means while you are converting your array into string, you can give a instruction inside your joint function, or you can say inside that joints opening and closing bracket, what you want between your elements. If you don't pass anything, it consider comma as a separator. Is consider comma as a separator. If you want everything in a single string, you just add string with no space. Like you don't want any space. If I add, it's add space. If I add comma, it will add comma. If I add anything 1 2 3, it will add 1 2 3 between every single element while creating or converting this into a single string. Okay. 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 Simple. For understanding, I am just passing no space, no space. I just passing no space. Can you see? I just passing no space. I just passing no space. Similarly here, I just want every element. I just want every element with converted into element of array. I just want every character converted element of a array. Okay, okay. If I add space here, what will be output? What will be output? Okay, let's just reload. Okay, can you see? 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 What happened here? What happened here? What happened here? It just separate, or it just create a element by separate space, if I add here space, it will create three elements. If I add space here, it will create four elements. Okay, okay, it just split the value using this one. What if I have comma here? Okay, let's see. What if I have comma here? What if I have comma here? It's ignored. It's get ignored. Let's see. Is it going to ignore or not? Let's see. Is it going to ignore or not for splitting? For the splitting. Reload. Yeah, it's get ignored. Okay. Okay, it's created one. Why it's created one? Okay, one, two, three. Okay, it's get ignored. Okay. It's come with rat. It comes with rat. Okay, you can see it comes with rat. Okay, it's get ignored. It's consider rat and comma. It's a single element. I need to create single element. And what if I add there comma? What if I add there comma? What if I add there comma? It will split using comma. It will split using comma. It will split using comma. Okay. Let's just reload. Can you see? It's created two elements. It's created two elements. What if we didn't add double quotes? Okay, let's see. करके देखते ठीक है. Okay, we didn't pass any inverted comma. We didn't pass any comma, any. Okay, so let's just see. Reload, reload. Okay, we didn't save. Just let me save. Just let me save. Control S. Okay. Can you see? Okay, we didn't pass any. Okay, it's created single element. Okay, I get that. It's created single element. Whatever. Okay, for the string formatting, we see uppercase, lowercase. We see changing character using indexing. Even we see uh, what do you say, cases, different cases. Okay, session will be end in 4 minutes. Okay, session will be end in 4 minutes. Okay, okay. Any doubt in split and join? Any doubt in split and join? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Doubt? Split and join. Okay. Any doubt? Split and join. Okay. Okay. I'll give you this file. I'll give you, okay. Those who want, I'll just copy pasting in chat. Okay. 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 It's not allowing me to paste all the code. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I tried. I tried. Okay. Okay. So we can do one thing. I'll make the copy of this file and upload on the drive. And I already shared you the link on channel where you can find drive access where the three section created. Okay, let me just open that one too. Do I access here? Do I have access here? Just let me see once. Not. Okay, I can see someone raised the hand. Okay, just give me a sec. Okay, 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 just I have access. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, okay. Can you able to see the screen? Everyone? Everyone? Can you able to see the screen? Everyone? 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 Okay. I have shared you this document. I have shared you this what is a document or drive. Yeah. So you will find everything here except recordings, except recordings, except recording. Okay. Okay. I'll update here, like in notes. I'll just create inside notes, day 9. Okay, today's day 9. Okay, the day 7, I didn't update the date because it's a similar to the day 9. So naming with the date, I'll add the today's code too. Okay, or what if I created new file here? Is it shareable? Sorry, let's new create a new folder. Okay, okay, we will see later. Okay, we will see later. So anyone any doubt till now? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt till now? Till now? Till now? Till now? Anyone have? Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, I'll show you. We are going to see the okay. Have doubt on split. Okay, we will see. Okay, raise the hand. Who raised the hand? Mangesh raise the hand. Yes, Mangesh, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, if there is no double quotes, then what is the out?
there is no double quotes. What is the output? I think we covered that thing. Okay, if there is a
But
no double quotes,
I think you didn't reload that.
I
That's
didn't reload that.
why,
Okay, and
sir,
here,
outcome not
okay,
come.
just give me a sec. Okay, so that's it now for today. We will concluding our what we say today's okay lecture.
That's the line number 19.